Mm. Making the hole. अभी हम वेडर केव में जा रहे हैं। I don't know. Yeah, Redwood Cave. Ayan is going up there. Fourth red. यहाँ पर
ये इधर ऊपर है।
वो लेक दी लेनी है इसमें।
वापसी पे ले लेंगे।
On the way back we will come down Ayan. वापसी पे आएंगे ना। On the way back में याद करना, then we will stop there as well. There's a road there. वो कैमरा था ना तो वाइड एंगल से उसमें सारा कवर करना था पीछे। I want to go to cave first. अगर हम लेक में गए भी उधर स्टार्ट में थोड़ी देर बैठेंगे। We're not gonna walk there alone.
Yeah, the cave, I think happens. The cave's down there, then you have to walk down to come through here to get to the lake.
We can do if it's possibility. ये यान रेडल केव के रास्ते पर भाग रहा है। Just give me a minute.
You have to climb into it. And then there's like the bottom part. You don't have to climb into it because it's like the bottom part, innit? And then there's like people on a rope. And they ride the rope up. Moss. Fresh moss.
Go on the side.
You could drink that water.
No, you can't.
It's flowing.
It's not that one. It's not that one. Which one is flowing? So that's the smallest cave. यार फिल्म बना के लो अपने मोबाइल से मोबाइल ले गए चलो ठीक है
Where? Obviously not.
Hey on.
Where was he jumping? Was it in there? I think it's see there, Sam. Where that rock goes up. And there's an owl. Right, Xander and Sophia, come on back up now. Go and find some apple lunch.
Where are you coming?
Who? It's come out.
I did it! Big stick.
Now we're going on the top one.
Not a single incident. Immaculate. Slide in, slide out. And big girls.
Hmm? It's all right. It's okay. मैं वाकई को जान दो तू बड़ा मूवी तू जैसे
मैं भी जा बाद ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੈਰਿਸ ਪੈਸੇ
ऐसे जान
fruit for you at there. Do you want me to order it? Yeah. I know. Go on in. She'll do it. You don't want to? Come back then, somebody behind you.
शूज सारी दुनिया जा रही है तो शूज
Don't go up that, by the way. It's very mushy. Should not go up it. Welcome to Rydal Cave. Now, Rydal Cave is home to some of the best scenery, best views ever. There's some very beautiful rivers and lakes and stuff like that, which you will see later on in this footage. And yeah, there's a lot of beautiful greenery, tall trees. There was a bit of rain, of course, but I feel like that improves the overall scenery. And yeah, it was a bit of a cloudy day when we went. now you're seeing what I consider probably one of the best parts of our journey. Walking across the footpaths and, you know, just getting a nice view of this lake. You could really just, it's really beautiful. It was a bit rainy as well, you know, as I just said before. And you could really just see, it was very calming, very soothing atmosphere. And if you guys ever get the chance to see this, I really recommend you do. Don't risk it, like, don't risk leaving this out. It's beautiful. Generally, for me, as a person who doesn't really go outside that much, I'm always stuck inside, always in my own little bubble, playing games. As a person who's, you know, 13 years old, doesn't really go out. For me, this was quite the experience. I mean, I've never seen such beautiful views with all these mountains, the scenery, the lovely lakes, and it was just it's such an experience, honestly. And I don't think I'll ever, if I ever get the chance to experience this again, because it's beautiful, and, you know. So I honestly, if you ever think about coming here, don't look no further. You should definitely try it. Now, as you can see, yeah, that's me. So, yeah, I went up. My parents stayed down to get some nice drone footage, as you can see here. It was a 1 hour walk, so we were all very tired. But I went up for more of an exploration and stuff. But sadly, our time had come to an end because of parking times and stuff like that. And yeah, we basically just didn't have enough time.
देखो हमारी शूटें साड़ियाँ शूटां देखो तुसी It's start raining, yeah.
देखें जी हम रेडल केव आए हुए हैं और अभी ऊपर से नीचे जा रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छी जगह है, आप लोग भी आएँ और एक्सप्लोर करें।